Tuturuan kita ngayon ng lesson natin sa statistics and probability of random variables and probability distribution. So una, ano ba ang mean? Mean is the average of all possible outcomes. It is the otherwise referred to as expected value of probability distribution. When we say expected value, it means that we repeat any given experiment infinite times. The theoretical means will be expected value. For instance, the mean of rolling a die theoretically 3.5. You will never roll a 3.5, no matter how many average of all outcomes. You should get 3.5 or at least close to the value. You will have better understanding about the concept of more examples given underneath. Understand the rules? Okay. In a discrete probability distribution, we have three equations. First, the equation 1.
Kaya sa
Guys, dito tayo dito sa kabila.
And the equation 2. And the equation 3. The equation 1 is the mean. This is the how you write the mean. So, how do we find the mean? First, multiply the random variable by its probability. And next, use the equation 1 to find the mean by adding all the product of them in step 1. Ito siya. Sa step 2 naman, sa equation 2. Ito ang ating magiging variance. So, to find the variance, subtract the compounded mean to each value of the random variable. Then, square the value of them in the step 3. So, dito na tayo. Sa standard definition. To find this, you have to complete the equation 1 and 2. Then, use the equation 3 to find the standard definition by getting the square root of the variable obtained. So, ganyan siya. Next, example. column dito, kailangan lang natin siya i-times itong dalawa. Nandiyan na po siya sa ating equation. I-times mo ito para makuha ito. So 0 times 2 over 10 will be 0. 1 times 2 over 10 will be 2 over 10. And 2 times 3 over 10 will be 6 over 10. Then 3 times 2 over 10 will be 6 over 10. Then 4 times 1 over 10 will be 4 over 10. Okay. Now, for the next column, madali lang naman siya. Pero kailangan natin muna isolve itong mean. Dahil hindi natin makukuha itong fourth column kung hindi pa natin nasusolve yung mean. So, to get the mean, we have to add this 5. Never mind. Basta yan.
5 bro.
So, kukunin natin itong mean.
5 bro. Papasok na ito mamaya sa loob. 10 PM na. Basta.
Zero, 2 over 10 plus 6 over 10 plus 6 over 10 then plus 4 over 10 will be 1.8. Pwede mo po siyang kunin ng naka-fraction or naka-decimal. Either way is fine. So, para makuha naman natin to, i-minus lang natin yung x value natin sa ating mean. So, 0 minus 1.8 will be negative 1.8 or negative 18 over 10. Either way is fine, decimal or fraction. Then next, 1 minus 1.8 will be negative 0.8. Then 2 minus 1.8 will be 0.2. Then the number 3 is 3 minus 1.8 will be 1.2. And the last, number 3. 3 yeah. Number 4. 4 minus 1.8 2.2. Now, for the next column, we just have to
Squared.
yeah.
Multiply by itself.
Squared by itself. Multiply by itself.
We have to multiply it by itself. That's what they say. Oh, stop mo muna.
2, 3, action!
For the next column, kailangan po natin i-multiply siya sa sarili niya. So ito magiging multiply negative, multiply to itself, negative will be positive 3.24. Then Negative 0.8 multiplied by itself will be 0.64. Then 0.2 multiplied by itself will be 0.04. Then 1.1 multiplied by 1.1 will be 1.44. Then 2.2 multiplied to 2.2 will be 4.84. Now, for the last column, kailangan lang po natin siya na itong nakuha natin na to, multiply natin siya sa P over P and X. Dito po, multiply natin. So, 2 over 10 multiplied by 3.24, that will be 0.648. Then, gawin lang po yung sumusunod. Now, we are almost finished. For the next, we have to find the variance. Gawin lang po yung equation number 2.
Video ka din sila.
Oh. So our answer is 1.56. Yan, yun lang sila. Yan makukuha yung answer. Now, for the final touch,
Wala po ito
Bukan.
kukunin na natin ang standard deviation.
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 Kupal si Brian, di pa nag-video.
Ilang minutes na?
13 na, 14.
Tatanong ang puta.
Uy, sobra na.
Dagdag points.
Sa huli, magsalsal ka. Tignan.
So that's it! Tapos na po ang ating lesson. So, sir, 13 minutes. Sumobra. Baka naman.
Itong inom.
Ayan.
Magsalsal.